Alright, so we have this particular question. If it can be zoomed, the better. Zoomed in, that will be better. Alright, this is the big part. It's a continuation. It's a continuation of the same question. It's a continuation. Alright, so now we are taught to say we find the inverse function of minus 5. What does that mean? It simply means that in the inverse function which you previously found, we found something like, previously we are just from finding f inverse of x, and we are taught this is, we found that it is x minus 1 over 3. So what does it mean if you have something like this? It simply means that in the inverse function, this particular function, in the inverse function of x, where there is x, you simply put negative 5. That's the idea. Simple. So we write this one. So this will be f inverse of, where there is x, you put the minus 5. Wherever there is x in this particular equation, you put minus 5. That's what it means. So here we're going to put where there is x, you put minus 5 in brackets. Then this will be where there is x, you put minus 5, minus 1 over 3. To simplify this, this will be f inverse of minus 5 equals to negative 5 minus 1, that's minus 6 over 3. You say therefore, the inverse function of minus 5 equals to 3 into minus 6, that's negative 2. And this is the solution. Let us move on to number C. Number C is quite intriguing. Try to zoom it please so that we see how this one can actually be answered. So this is a composite function. It's a combination of two functions. So the order matters. When you have fg of x, look at the order. So they're saying the function that begins is the one that is being substituted into. In other words, if the function starts here, then we are referring to that very function. Okay, so for example, the question says fg of x. What does it mean? It simply means that in the function f, the f function which we know, the f function is f of x equals to 3x plus 1. In the f function, while there is x, take note, we're going to put or replace the g of x function. That's the idea. That is the idea. Okay? So the question is saying f g of x. The fact that the f function is the one that is stated first, we're going to write the f function, and in the f function, while we've got the x, wherever there is x, we'll put the g function. That's the idea. Now we also know that the g function here is actually, 4x minus 1. This is the g function here. So let's do that. Let's see how we go about this. So in the f function, we have it here. Where there is x, we're going to put the g function. Now we know the g function is simply this. It is 4x minus 1 there. That's very good. It is 4x minus 1. So let's see how we go about it. So while there is x here, since we're starting here, we'll say when there is x, we put the g of x. Yes, remember? We'll put the g of x here. Then here, of course, we're going to be putting the 4x minus 1 where there is x here. You get? Okay, so here we're going to have 3. You open the brackets where there is x, you put the 4x minus 1 plus 1 there, you get. Then simplify further. This is the question here, to this one here. You go down, you put fg of x equals to, you simplify this, 3 times h inside, 3 times 4x, that will be 12x, 3 times negative 1, that will be minus 3, plus 1. You go further, you're going to have fg of x, and this will equal to 12x, minus 3 plus 1 is negative 2. And this is the solution. And you see that this cannot be simplified any further, therefore, this is the solution here. Thank you for watching. Please continue watching these videos. They're quite educative. Okay? Thank you so much. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time.